Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss latest job openings in Ahmedabad location. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening for front desk receptionist from EM Excel Travel Solutions Private Limited. It is located in Ahmedabad location, located in Gujarat state. They are offering a salary for this position is 12,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. Experience will be 2 to 5 years. Coming to job profile, greet and welcome guests as soon as they arrive at the office. Direct visitors to the appropriate person and office. Answer, screen and forward incoming phone calls. Ensure reception area is tidy and presentable with all necessary stationery and material. Example, pens, forms and brochures. And this is the job profile. Please check with the information provided here, and for detailed information please contact with the given contact number, that is 9081 998024. Next, there is a job opening for academic associate from IIM Ahmedabad. They are offering a salary for this position is 42,000 rupees per month. One vacancy is available for this job position. Experience will be 2 to 5 years. Coming to education qualification, it will be any postgraduate. Last date to apply for this job position is 3rd February 2021. And please check with the details provided here, and to apply for this job position please visit this website link and get more detailed information about this job position. Next, there is a job opening for computer operator from High Court of Gujarat. It is located in Ahmedabad location. They are offering a salary for this position is 63,200 rupees per month. 9 vacancies are available for this job position. Freshers can be eligible, and coming to education qualification, it will be BCA or BSc. Last date to apply for this position is 15th February 2021. And here is the selection procedure. Please check with the information provided here, and for further details you can visit this website link and we have provided here, and get more detailed information about this job position. Next, there is a job opening for customer care executive from Soltac Technologies Private Limited. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 rupees per month. Required skills will be excellent communication skills in Gujarati or Hindi. Having computer skills is must, like Excel, Word, Internet, etc. Good listening skill, inbound calls, handling queries and provide the best service. Shift timings will be 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. These are the skills needed for this job position. And coming to experience, skills and qualifications, the candidate should have basic computer qualification knowledge. Both freshers or experienced candidates can be eligible to apply for this job position. Coming to education qualification, 12th or any graduate and any postgraduate candidates are eligible. For further details, you can contact with the given contact number, that is 910-625-1856. There is a job opening for Client Services Executive Voice Process from DS Business Services. It is located in Ahmedabad location. They are offering a salary range between 22,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. And here are the job responsibilities and the main skills needed for this job position. That is, the skills are good at communication skill, good at computer skill, ready to work in night shift, ready to work in voice process. These are the key skills needed. And benefits will be no sales process, on roll job, 5 days working. Please go check with the information provided here, and for further details you can contact with the given contact number, that is 9913099651. Next, there is a job opening for Executive Surveillance, University Road, from Rao Group of Companies. Job description will be CCTV surveillance, email surveillance, remote monitoring, social media surveillance. And interested candidates, please go for an interview, and they will be called, you will be called for an interview. And please, for further details you can contact with the given contact number, that is 07930444444, or else if you are interested to apply for this job position, please send your resume to this given email id, that is hr@reavoconsultants.com. Next, there is a job opening for Administrative Assistant from Flexer Print and Pack LLP. They are offering a salary for this position is 11,500 to 13,000 rupees per month. And these are the some duties needed for a candidate for this job position, that is performing basic admin duties including printing, sending emails, and ordering office supplies. Second one, assisting the front office team, assist housekeeping team in maintaining the office premises clean and neat. Fourth one, prepare and reconcile customer balances, follow up with the clients for the payment, maintaining all the details of the job card from start to the end, payment collection. And these are the responsibilities needed for this job position. Please go through it once. For further details you can contact with the given phone number, that is 99250 There is a job position for Visa Processing Officer, University Road. It is from Raw Group of Companies. Job description will be preparation of whole visa file, explain visa process to student at basic level, coordination with the student for collecting documents for visa file. And interested candidates, please send your resume to this provided email id. And please, for further details you can contact with the given contact number, that is 70930444444. Next, there is a job opening for Administrative Coordinator from Parishram Energy Hub. It is located in Ahmedabad location. And they have provided all the details about this job position. And here is the job profile and the skills needed for this job position. Please check with the information provided here. For detailed information you can contact with the given contact number, that is 9979765067. Next, there is a job opening for Office Administrator. They are looking for male candidates. It is from Themis Automation Private Limited. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. It is working for account department. They are looking after general entries for accounts. And these are the responsibilities about this job position. Please check with the information, and for further details and for more details please contact with the given phone number, that is 7573000803. Next, there is a job opening for Admin Executive from Excellent Edu Tech Solution LLP. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. Experience will be more than 3 years. Salary will be max 2.4 lakhs per annum. And they have provided here the all information. Please go through it once. Coming to job description: office factory communication, vendor management, hotel and tickets booking, export documentation, office purchase, stationery purchase, office maintenance, PC printer, etc., and other admin work. And these are the job responsibilities. Please check with the information. If you are interested to apply for this job position, please contact with the given contact number, that is 728385, sorry, 7283850104. Next, there is a job opening for MIS executive from GTPL Hathway Limited. They are offering a salary for this position is 1 lakh to 1,80,000 rupees per year. The candidate should expert in Excel, and the candidate should have good communication skills and should have telecom industry experience. For more detailed information, please contact with the given phone number and get to more information. The contact number is, that is 9909943506. Next, there is a job opening for adjunct faculty from GTU, Gujarat Technological University. They are offering a salary for faculty position is 80,000 rupees per month. One vacancy is available for this job position. 1 year of experience or 1 to 15 years of experience is needed for this position. Coming to education qualification, it will be MPhil or PhD. Last date to apply for this position is 5th February 2021. Selection procedure is given here. Please check with the information, and for more detailed information, please visit this website link provided here and get more detailed information for applying to this job position. Next, there is a job opening for back office cum reception from Excellent EduTech Solution LLP. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. One vacancy is available. Coming to experience, 1+ of years, and the notice period will be not more than 1 month. Immediate joiner first preferred. They are preferring immediate joiner first. And for more detailed information, please contact with the given phone number, that is 7283850104. Next, there is a job opening for social media marketing from Rao Group of Companies. And here is the description provided. Please go through it once. If you feel if you are interested to apply for this job position, please send your resume to this email ID. And if you any queries, please contact with the given phone number, that is 707930444444. Thanks for supporting us, guys. If you like the video, please like, share this video to your friends and family members, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more updated videos.